That's nice.
I think she's happy.
Okay.
Hey! Hey! I'm Ben, owner of the BE-Hive. This is Diana, genius behind the scenes and culinary director of the BE-Hive. And today we're going to make pizza. Vegan pizza, and we're going to use some of our products that we make and show you just how accessible eating plant-based can be. This is the product we're going to be using, vegan pepperoni. It's made out of seitan, it's really good. All you gotta do is throw it on the pizza. We make this for restaurants and home use. This is 10 ounces, or you can also get 2.5 pound restaurant style bag. And we're gonna be using some of our garlic shreds. You can get both of these products on our website or through VegCo. We teamed up with Two Boots Pizzeria, Two Boots. To do this episode, they carry at all 6 of their locations our pepperoni. They have dope vegan pizza. They got 2 in Brooklyn, 2 in Manhattan, and 2 in Nashville. Yeah, we're gonna show you how to make dope za.
So today we're going to be using some dough provided by Two Boots, and I think that they do it in overnight fermentation. But you can find all kinds of different recipes online about easy pizza doughs, like no-knead pizza doughs. There's tons of accidentally vegan dough.
So,
I am not fancy, and I am not going to be trying to toss this in the air.
But it might
I
be
don't
like
know
a
how
good,
to do it.
well, I don't think you're ready. You need to go a little bit longer.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's not bad, actually.
That's
not bad.
Yeah.
I'm a pizza boy.
Okay.
Make it however you want. This is apparently Pizza YOLO.
Pizza YOLO.
Pizza sauce. And it's actually really good. It's really tart. I've heard you don't want to cook your tomatoes before you make your pizza.
Why?
Because it takes away the brightness and the acidity, and you're going to cook it in the oven anyway. We're going to use our garlic shreds. You can get these at VegCo. VegCo.com. Is it VegCo.com or is it Veg.co? You can get our garlic shreds from VegCo.com. It's an awesome pizza cheese. It's like very lightly garlicky, and it melts awesome, which you're gonna see. And then for this one, we're gonna be showing you how to make that classic pepperoni pizza with a little twist. And with our BE-Hive seitan pepperoni, I already opened one up, but we're gonna layer that on top of the cheese. Now I think you get about 6 stacks per package, and each freaking stack is 18 grams of protein. There's protein in literally
broccoli,
everything.
spinach. So it's kind of a dumb argument.
Yeah.
The strongest animals are vegan.
I can't talk about
Oxes,
that.
cows,
I'm not a biologist.
pure muscle.
When you get our pepperoni, it is packed in a little bit of a marinade because when you cook seitan, a lot of the fat will leak out, making it a really low fat, low carb, high protein product of goodness. But we like it a little bit nastier, and a little bit greasier, and a little bit spicier, so we made some hot oil. And we're gonna put that on top before we cook it. You can put anything you want on your pizza. It doesn't matter. You can put whatever. You can put potatoes. You can put corn. You can put potatoes. You can put corn.
You can put potatoes. You can put corn.
This is it. This is what I like on my pizza. This is sexy. If I were you, when you take your pizza out of the oven, I would not immediately cut it. I would bask in its glory for a second, let it be zen, and let it come and be itself for a minute. If you cut it too fast, this is gonna be a little goopier. So you just want to give it some time. I'm gonna do it like this. Shut up. We should make ASMR videos. That would make me so happy.
Wait, what are mukbangs?
Those are those eating videos where people just eat large amounts of food in front of a camera.
I like the one
with
with the guy and his kid that you showed me.
Oh, I think I don't know.
Yeah, no, you totally showed it to me.
Two Boots as a company, even back in New York, always prided itself on being an early vegan pizzeria. So we started with the diet cheese, and Daniel Pujol, an employee of ours, convinced us to try the BE-Hive, and we haven't looked back. And the The customers, they can tell the difference. It's definitely boosted our vegan sales. Definitely an uptick in vegan requests. Because of the vegan proteins, we're able to do some of the classic pizzas now, which vegans have missed out on for so long. Nashville's changed a lot in the past decade or so, and there was a time when a majority of the time we've been open, we had a stage out there, and we would run shows 3 or 4 times a week, and we employed a lot of the local musicians. Music is a big part of what we do. Even dating back to New York, we've always been a proud sponsor of festivals and shows and bands, and we carried that love down here to Nashville, and that's a very rich scene down here. It's a shame that we haven't been able to have any live music for the past year. It kind of feels like the heartbeat of the city has gone away, but God willing, this spring, we'll be able to get things going again.
It's steaming.
Is it?
Yeah.
This looks great.
It's like you've done this before. Are you smelling it?
Yeah.
Look, it even like bubbled up over there.
It's beautiful. You can do this too.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Do you want to eat it?
I definitely want to eat it.
Are you still hungry?
Yeah.